Hi, welcome to Lean Bella's Kitchen. So today we are going to indulge in a flavorful culinary adventure with this mouth-watering one-pot Cajun shrimp and rice. This recipe is a delicious fusion of ingredients, and you will enjoy the convenience of one-pot meal without compromising on the taste with this Cajun-inspired culinary delight. Okay, before we talk about the spices that I'm going to add to this dish, let me give you some tip about cooking the rice. When you cook the rice in a pot, as soon as it boils, that first boil, you have to cover it and lower the heat. Don't wait a minute or two or your rice will not cook properly. The steam needs to cook the rice. So that's my tip for you when you're cooking the rice in a pot. So now let's go ahead and combine the spices for our one pot Cajun shrimp and rice. Smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, ground pepper, dried oregano, dried thyme, cayenne pepper, and red chili pepper flakes. Now add the salt and then mix to combine. You're going to add half of the seasoning to the shrimp, toss them to coat evenly, and you're going to heat the pan with oil. Add the butter, let it melt. Once melted, you're going to add the onion, saute until tender, and then add the garlic, continue sauteing until aromatic. Now you're going to add the rest of the seasoning and then add the rice and stir to combine. Season it with salt and toast the rice for about a couple of minutes. Then add the chicken broth. Now, once you see that the rice mixture is boiling, cover the pan, lower the heat, and let the rice cook. Now, once all the liquid has been absorbed, about 7 minutes, you're going to add the shrimp. And then you're going to cook the shrimp until they turn pink or opaque. Now, you're going to cover the pan and then let the steam cook the shrimp. And then once it's done, then it's time to garnish with some cilantro or parsley. All right, my lovelies, are you ready to have this delicious dinner for tonight? I hope that you try this and you let me know what you think. And if you have family and friends that need help with home cooking, please share this video. And if you're looking for more recipes, just head on to my website, and that's leanbellaskitchen.com. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.